Good morning, Judy here from Thistledew Creations. Thanks for coming back and joining me for another video. I really appreciate you coming back and spending time with me. Today I'm opening up some happy mail from Sweden. So I'm really excited to see what I'm getting from Sweden. I know I was doing a swap with a lady and I really don't remember what it was. I didn't go back and look at my messages yet to see what it was we were swapping. I just thought I would open it on camera and see what it is. So she's decorated the front of the envelope a little bit, which is fun. Some stamping and a sticker and some pretty floral paper. And let's see what the card says here, the little letter. Lisbeth Olofsson, living in North Sweden. I really don't know what it means to swap. Do we swap once or now and then when time is right? Just let me know. I need inspiration and thought. This is one way to find it again. Newspapers and stuff to create with. New papers and stuff to create with. For the moment, I put seeds to grow plants, and we also bought a third dog, so we have lots of fun. Take care, Lisbeth. And then she's put her address on the back for me. So let's see what this is. So, oh, that's pretty. A little collage paper. See a lot of things there that I'll use. And then some angels with some cologne. Pretty. These look like the sort of thing you buy off of Temu or Shein. Very pretty things, and some music paper. I'll put that right in my music drawer. And then this looks out like some book pages, Middle Ages people, costumes and hats. It's quite fun. And hairstyles and hats and men's clothing. And then what have we got here? An envelope, aerogram. That's interesting. I've never seen an envelope like that. Looks like it's got some postage paid on it. And then another book page, which must be Swedish. Oh, and this has white stenciling over top. I don't know if you can see that. Just like a flower pattern repeated all over it. That's neat. Gives me an idea. Oh, and look at this. A glassine envelope or bag with a little butterfly holding it closed. I don't want to tear either one. I mean, I've got a gazillion butterfly stickers, but there we go. We managed to do it. And what do we have in this glassine bag? I love glassine bags. I love the way they feel. It says, find your happy place. I love that. And what do we have here? Some painted papers with stamping. And it looks like it's just an old letter. I don't think to use things like that. I mean, I've got so much paper that I could do this with. It's likely going to be glued down anyway. That's really pretty. And another piece that has some embossing done on it. And that's something else that I have is embossing powder. Never used it. It was my mom's and I've just never jumped in and tried it. Every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath, smile, and start again. That's what I try to do these days. And a little tag cut out of, it looks like out of some sort of advertising or something. Oh, and it's collaged. Just you can feel the layers of paper. So she must have collaged over some advertising and cut it into a tag. And then some more painty papers, maybe gel print, maybe. Pretty cool. This is something I haven't done a lot of, is this sort of paper making where you decorate the papers. That's really pretty. And oh, thistles. I wonder if she took note of my YouTube channel name, Thistledew Creations. I do like thistles. And then the baseball player. It's interesting that she would have a US baseball player in Sweden. These guys are adorable. That's how I feel some mornings. Or at the end of the day. And a beautiful little girl playing a guitar. And some mothers walking their babies in the park in their prams. And that's like on cardstock. That's really neat. Has a good feel to it. And then some more painty papers with stenciling. Looks like jelly prints, which is something I don't do. And again, done on the back of either notebook paper, like, or letter or something. And then what have we got here? Another glassine envelope, a smaller one, and a bunch of little tags, numbers, and labels and things like that. Really fun stuff. So very thrilling to have this little selection all the way from Sweden. And it'll be interesting to do some, translation, see what that says on the back, see what it was. But yeah, that's awesome. Thank you very much, Lisbeth, yep. And I really appreciate it. And you should be getting my swap soon too. I think we sent them out close to the same time. So I can't wait to hear back from you that you received it and liked everything. And yes, we can swap as often as we want. We can do it once, or we can start being sort of swapping pen pals. That's what's happened between myself and Wanda Ford from Nova Scotia, which is just, quarter of the way across the country from me. She was my first swap partner, and we've continued to swap a few times a year. So we can do that if you would like, and we can find out what the other person is looking for. And we might have things here in Canada that you can't get in Sweden, and vice versa. So we can trade things back and forth. It can get expensive, but it's fun. So I hope you'll want to do more with me. I really like what you sent me. So if you've just been watching, following along, check out my Happy Mail and Swaps playlist on my channel here, and you can see more of the types of things that I send and receive. And you might want to do some swapping yourself with myself or with someone else. It gives you ideas and inspiration of what to send. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. But most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.